Hello everyone, I am Rose and welcome to Rouge of Rose. And welcome to the 5th video and shade of a 7 Shades of Rainbow series. If you don't know what I'm talking about, in this series I take each shade of the rainbow and use it as a protagonist of my entire look. For this video, the shade is blue. But for this video, I'm not going to use the true blue. I'm going to use a lighter version of it. Sky blue? But before we go any further, I have to apologize for not uploading any videos on the series last week and uploading this video so late this week. Because of Ramadan going on, my schedule is all over the place and filming is something I can't seem to find time for, but I am really trying, so bear with me. But before we get to the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell on to get updated every time I post. Now without any further yapping, let's get to the video. For this look, I do not need to use the entire lid. So first of all, I am going to take concealer and cut out a cut crease up to 3/4 of my lid. Of course, as usual, I'm taking it a little bit above my natural crease line. Just keeping it up to here. For the first step, I'm taking a white shadow and putting it up to the inner part of my lid and stopping right before the middle. On the Beauty Glaze Color Fusion palette, I'm taking up this beautiful light blue. And packing this on the rest of the lid, I didn't put the white shadow on. Now it's time for the glitter waves. For the glitters, I'm going to use two different glitters, silver and sky blue. So with lash glue, first of all, I'm going to draw out how I want my waves to look like. Literally just going to do the outer parts of it and not going to fill in the insides. First, I'm putting down the sky blue glitter as the outline of my waves. Down glue on little parts inside the waves where I want my silvers to go down. Now whatever space is left, I'm going to go back in with the sky blue glitter on there. It just really shows how much you can do with loose glitter and just some navigation of the glue. For the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with this blue and then go under that with the same light blue I used on the lid. Some white liner to the waterline, inner corner and brow bone highlight. I'm going to add in some lower lash line mascara and some eyelashes and be right back. And this is my look all complete. I really love this kind of looks, which is very simple, quick and easy to do, but it gives the illusion that you have done a lot and this has taken like many hours. If you like this video, then please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, also comment down below what kind of makeup look you want to see next. I post new videos every week, so to stay updated about my next uploads, make sure to follow me on all of my socials. It's all linked down in the description below. And if you end up recreating this look, which you should, make sure to tag me on my Instagram at rouge.of.rose. And to make sure you do not miss out on any of the videos from the 7 Shades of Rainbow series, make sure to turn the notification bell on. And if you have not watched the previous ones yet, the playlist would be added at the end of the video. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Always remember to take care of yourself and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye!